back to another piece of the ongoing restoration of Ron's dad's set, also known as the Inheritance series. This is one of the many pieces that came with that set. This is the Pedestrian overpass, and kind of goes like this, and then this piece goes across the middle, and it also comes apart. As you can see, I've taken it apart, and it's not in terrible shape, but there is some rust, maybe dirt, I'm not sure. Things are a little bit bent out of shape, as you can see that railing there. So my plan here is to see what I can do. I've never tried to deal with something like this. I'm really hoping that gentle cleaning will remove the stuff, the spots, and clean this thing up. And again, my goal is not to do a complete restoration, but a sympathetic restoration, and that is to just clean it up and get it into the best original condition that I can. Again, with the hopes that this will be yet one more piece that continues forward into the future with a person that's interested in taking a pretty neat group of things and making them their own. So with that said, let's get going. A.C. Gilbert managed to create a partnership with a business called the Colbert Corporation, and they produce several different items. You may have seen some of their lighting towers, and actually the aircraft beacon, I believe, was something they produced. One item they also produced was a pedestrian bridge. This is a metal bridge that you begin seeing in flyer literature in 1951, and it was only there from 51 to 52. And apparently Colbert then, for reasons unknown to this author, severed ties and sold their products to the Marx Company. So at that point, some of these things still were produced, but of course they were now under the Marx name. And I don't know that A.C. Gilbert included any Marx items with his sets after they changed brands. But it's kind of an interesting piece. Certainly reminds one of erector sets. And one other distinctive piece of note for the bridge is that it came in two colors. One was a silver blue, the other was a silver, and the shades are definitive, but they both have a very similar look. And on my layout, I happen to have the blue one, and the one that we're working on today would be the silver. And I'll turn now to our friend Doyle for a few more details. Welcome back to the American Flyer research labs here, where again, using our friend Doyle, we find the overhead footbridge, and apparently it wasn't around for very long. It's interesting, he separates out the bluish silver from the gray, and has a little bit different scarcity rating for the two of them. this is painful, and I think what I want to do, I don't have it in my, I don't have enough will to keep at this. I'm going to lose my ever-loving mind. It is, as I don't know if you can tell, but this is so tedious, and no matter what I do, I can't get it very well. So I'm starting to think the best solution for this thing would be ultrasonic cleaner, paint stripper, and repaint it. I can't. I've lost track how many Q-tips I've gone through. I have this done. I guess that's acceptable. It's not, it's not perfect, but this is killing me. So again, here is a silver one, and I added a original flyer decal there just to make it official. And then here is blue silver, or bluish one. Now again, the one I painted is a little bit brighter than the original, but they're pretty similar still, as you can see there. So pretty happy with the color that it came out. So, well, thanks a lot for tuning in today. I hope you enjoyed hearing a little bit more about American Flyer accessories and something that maybe you may not have known about the pedestrian bridge made by Colbert.